Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is Abaya. 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 An abaya is a loose, long-sleeved robe-like garment worn by some women in various parts of the world, especially in Islamic cultures. It is often worn as a symbol of modesty and can come in various styles and colors. Examples: She wore a black abaya and a matching headscarf to the mosque. In this sentence, abaya refers to the long robe-like garment traditionally worn by Muslim women for modesty during religious events. The abaya is a common attire for women in Saudi Arabia. Here, abaya is mentioned as a typical clothing item for women in Saudi Arabia. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.